Plant-Based Whole Food Diet for Seniors, 65 Years and Above by AZLAN ADNAN. Sunday, 20th of July, Introduction. Why a plant-based whole food diet matters for seniors. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing nutrients, regenerating tissue, and maintaining optimal organ function. Seniors aged 65 and above face a higher risk of chronic diseases, frailty, and cognitive decline. Amid these realities, a plant-based whole food PBWF diet offers a transformative approach to healthy aging. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and phytonutrients, a PBWF diet addresses age-related ailments at their root. Unlike conventional Western diets laden with ultra-processed foods, the PBWF approach focuses on unrefined, minimally processed plant foods, such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, while excluding animal products and processed ingredients. Emerging nutritional science demonstrates the extraordinary potential of a PBWF diet to not only delay the onset of degenerative diseases, but to improve vitality, cognition, and independence in senior years. The growing body of epidemiological and clinical research underlines how such a diet supports cardiovascular health, balances blood glucose, reduces inflammation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Key principles of the plant-based whole food diet. At its core, the PBWF diet for seniors revolves around these foundational principles. Elimination of animal products. No meat, dairy, eggs, or seafood. These are replaced by plant-based sources of protein, such as lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and beans. Avoidance of ultra-processed foods. Packaged snacks, refined sugar, white flour, oils, and artificial additives are excluded in favor of natural, whole ingredients. Focus on variety and balance. Diverse plant foods ensure a wide spectrum of phytonutrients and amino acids, minimizing deficiencies. Emphasis on fiber. Soluble and insoluble fiber promote digestion, prevent constipation, regulate cholesterol, and support gut health. Mindful cooking methods. Steaming, boiling, and baking are preferred over frying. Herbs and spices replace salt and sugar. For seniors, these principles offer particular relevance in addressing concerns such as hypertension, osteoporosis, diabetes, and cognitive decline. Aging and nutritional challenges. Aging affects every aspect of nutrition: reduced appetite, taste changes, dental issues, and a diminished ability to absorb nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and calcium. Furthermore, seniors often face increased oxidative stress and systemic inflammation, which contribute to conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and Alzheimer's. A PBWF diet, rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, counteracts these processes. Crucially, fibre-rich diets support regularity and prevent diverticulosis, common in older adults. Potassium, magnesium, and nitrate-rich vegetables such as beetroot, spinach, and sweet potato help maintain vascular elasticity and lower blood pressure. Brain health and cognition. Cognitive decline is one of the most feared consequences of aging. However, emerging studies suggest that plant-based diets protect against neurodegenerative disorders by reducing inflammation, improving endothelial function, and modulating the gut-brain axis. Diets rich in flavonoids, berries, cocoa, green tea, omega-3 rich flax seeds and walnuts, and cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, cabbage, are associated with slower rates of cognitive decline. Moreover, the PBWF diet has shown promise in enhancing memory, focus, and executive function, particularly when combined with physical activity and social engagement. Cardiovascular health and blood pressure. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death among the elderly. The PBWF diet, free from saturated fats and cholesterol, supports arterial health and reverses atherosclerosis in some cases. The portfolio of legumes, oats, flax seeds, and soy, known as cholesterol-lowering foods, plays a critical role in regulating lipid levels. Leafy greens, rich in nitrates, promote nitric oxide production, improving vasodilation and reducing hypertension. Large cohort studies, including the Adventist Health Studies in Epic Oxford, reveal significantly lower rates of cardiovascular disease among plant-based seniors compared to omnivores. Diabetes and blood sugar control. Insulin resistance increases with age, making seniors vulnerable to type 2 diabetes. Whole plant foods, rich in complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber, provide a slow-release energy source that stabilizes blood glucose. A PBWF diet avoids the blood sugar spikes associated with refined carbs and added sugars. In fact, Clinical trials such as those conducted by the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, PCRM, have shown that plant-based diets improve insulin sensitivity and glycemic control, sometimes reducing or eliminating the need for medication. Weight management and metabolic health. Obesity is a major risk factor for many chronic conditions, and weight loss in older adults must be carefully managed to preserve lean body mass. The low calorie density and high satiety index of plant-based foods make them ideal for sustainable weight control without muscle wasting. Seniors adopting a PBWF lifestyle typically experience modest weight loss, improved mobility, and higher energy levels. Bone health and osteoporosis. Contrary to popular belief, calcium and protein requirements for bone health can be met without dairy. Leafy greens, bok choy, kale, tofu set with calcium, sesame seeds, and fortified plant milks provide ample calcium. Magnesium and vitamin K2 from fermented foods like tempeh enhance calcium absorption. Resistance exercise, adequate vitamin D, and prunes, yes, prunes, also contribute to bone density. Gut health and immunity. The gut microbiome, often neglected in elderly care, plays a crucial role in immunity, mood regulation, and digestion. A diet rich in prebiotic fiber from onions, garlic, bananas, oats, and legumes feeds beneficial gut flora. This in turn boosts immunity and reduces susceptibility to infections, a major concern for seniors. Unlike omnivorous diets, which may promote harmful bacteria linked to colorectal cancer, the PBWF diet encourages a diverse, stable microbiota that supports overall health. Practical tips for seniors adopting a PBWF diet. Begin with familiar dishes. Modify classics like curry, soup, or porridge with plant ingredients. Batch cooking and freezing reduces effort and ensures availability of nutritious meals. Use colorful plates and spices to stimulate appetite and make meals more appealing. Blend or mash foods for seniors with dental issues or difficulty chewing. Consult a dietitian, especially to ensure adequate vitamin B12, D, and omega-3 intake. Supplementation considerations. While the PBWF diet is nutrient-dense, certain nutrients may require supplementation in older adults. Vitamin B12, essential for nerve function, best taken as a methylcobalamin supplement. Vitamin D3, supports bone health, especially with limited sun exposure. Iodine, found in seaweed or supplements to support thyroid function. Omega-3, ALA, DHA, from algae oil or ground flax seeds and chia seeds. Ethical, environmental, and social dimensions. For many seniors, ethical concerns about animal welfare and sustainability align with the PBWF ethos. The environmental footprint of a plant-based lifestyle, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water consumption resonates with those seeking to leave a healthier planet for future generations. Moreover, communal meals and cooking classes can transform nutrition into a social, joyful experience that combats isolation and depression in older adults. Conclusion: food as medicine for healthy aging. A plant-based whole food diet is more than a nutritional choice. It is a paradigm shift in how we age. Grounded in robust science and adaptable to local culinary traditions, the PBWF lifestyle empowers seniors to take charge of their health, reduce dependency on medication, and enhance their quality of life. In a world where age is too often associated with decline, the PBWF diet offers vitality, autonomy, and renewed purpose.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.